Have you thought of why your dreams are not getting fulfilled? Have you thought of why whatever you want to achieve, it's not being achieved? Let me tell you one thing, it's not a fault. Stay till the end and I'll share the complete details. The main point is, you are not being given the clarity about the things. Whatever your goal is, right now you're a working professional. You started with a job in a company and then you wanted to grow. But the right kind of people who grew, they kept the secret and they did not tell you. Your boss, your manager knows the secret. So maybe he is having 3x of what you are earning. Your top boss is earning 3x, but you are just earning 1/3. The reason, he knows something that you do not know. Let me tell you that one reason. If you keep on doing what you are doing, you will have everything what you want to have. But with a kind of caution. The main point is, people don't tell you what is right. They only tell you what is required out of you because they want to extract things. Let me tell you one thing first. You are the average of 5 people you associate your time with. So if you want to increase or create value in your career, go ahead, move ahead in the career, reach the top or the pinnacle of your career, you need to associate with the right people. Bad news for you. The people in your organization are competitive. The people in your organization, the colleagues that you have with you, you believe that it's being given to you that a dream or a thought that we are a company, but you are not a company or a family. It's being said that we are a family. This company is a family. No, it's not a family. If you are 45, you are at particular age. Maybe you are not the right fit for the company. But if you are 22, 23, 24, 25, you are absolutely marvelous. Because even though it's the family, you are the young blood. You have more hours to dedicate. You have more hours to deliver. Everybody is happy. But when you are 45, when you are 50, not everyone is happy. You are barely surviving. Plus, you have been given this ideology of consumerism. Since childhood, you have been buying things. You have been buying your toys, and then you bought other things, pencil box, lunch box and everything. Later, when you grew up, you had your bikes and everything in your school, college. And now when you're working, your toys have changed. You have a car as a toy. You have a house as a toy. You have different things as a toy. You are still the part of that consumer world. This consumerism is not allowing you to move ahead. Your friend or your colleague or somebody else in your locality is driving Mercedes, Merc. You want that Merc, even though your ability is not to buy the Merc. So let me tell you one thing. Associate your time with the 5 people. First, grow in your career. Don't look at the things because you are into the addiction of this something new that's coming up. You are being told that this is what you have to buy. It's not your need, but you are being told you have to buy this. What is actually happening? You are being given, you are being trained. You are trained from childhood to work in the factories. You are being trained from the childhood to work in these organizations, because from where the workers will come if they will not train you. So they have trained you to be worker. And 9 to 6, like you went to school, it was a training, it was a small training, starting at maybe 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning till 2 o'clock. Then you went to college, it was 9 to 3. Now in your job, it is 9 to 6. 2 hours, it's been increased from your school to college to your university and then your job. Now, there is another way also. To escape this rat race, you have to improve your skills, enhance your skills. There are some people you are finding in your neighborhood that even though they are not working so hard, they are making, they are out of the rat race. Why? Because they knew something. They knew the power of leverage. They understood that, what if I take a leverage? That's what I told you. Right now, I am making this YouTube video. There's a leverage. I don't know who are you, but you are watching this. I don't know where you are, but you're watching this. I don't know what exactly is it's all about, but you're watching this. You are watching because something is connecting with you. You are here till this stage with me. What do you say? Type in the chat box. You are watching this and you are looking at some solution which you are not finding. And my words are maybe comforting you or maybe questioning the ideology that you have in the brain or something like that. Now, let's talk about the leverage and the way out. Time freedom, money freedom, location freedom. Welcome to the world of internet. Internet is the biggest opportunity of this century. I would like you to work for your kitchen, your home economy for 9 to 6. But 6 to 9 in the morning, maybe take 6 hours or 8 hours for sleeping, maybe 2 to 3 hours every day, work on yourself. Jim Rohn said that if you work on your job, you make a living. But if you work on yourself, you make a fortune. So start creating some skill. In whatever domain you are, maybe HR, marketing, finance, whatever, start learning something, get into the top buys. Get in touch with the people, buy their time. How can you buy their time? Maybe you need to understand. You need to understand this. You need to get into that circle where they are. If they are partying out, maybe you have to spend time. I don't know if that's what you have to see. Or the other way, get into this digital age where I am. In this digital economy, where I say myself as a digital economics coach. So in this digital economy, it's the power of leverage. Create content, connect with the people, distribute. There are different ways. If you are good at speaking, speak. If you are good, if you love writing, write. If you love not being on the camera but you love speaking, perfect, amazing, do it. Share your ideas with the people, but because what is being sold right now is your narrative. It's your narrative. Build your narrative. Work on your narratives. Because I'll say one thing, this game of internet is all about two things. Number one, it is psychology, and number two, it is just human. So basically it is psychology, I'll say. Whatever you are, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, I would still say get into this. Start creating, become a creator. From a consumer where you're buying cars, home and everything, start creating. When you become a creator, you earn. The company, whatsoever it is, maybe Toyota or anything. Look at these creators, how are they earning? Because they are creating. Money is being paid for creation, money is not being paid for consumption. You are being given a credit card, why? Consume. You are being given a job, why? Stay here. We'll pay you the amount. So because if you look at even the Indian data, in the India, the data is almost 90% and above are below 25,000 rupees. The people in India, only 3 to 5% are earning above 1 lakh rupees. And above 3.75 lakhs, it's just 1% monthly above. So where you are right now? Are you a consumer or are you a creator? If you want to be a creator and you just are looking at what is the way, and you have watched so many videos but nothing is working out for you, let's get connected. There is a quiz I have given. Take the quiz. It talks about your 1 to 3,000 rupees monthly potential, earning potential. Just take the quiz. Understand, do you have the potential? Do you have it in you? And then if you believe that I can work with you, my call can help you, I'll have 20 minutes of time with you just to chart out the details of your $1,000 to $3,000 journey. How can you create that? What will you do? So I'll do that. And once I do, we can, if you believe or I believe that we can work together, we can also get into that one-to-one personal relationship, personal coaching. I can coach you, to guide you, to create $1,000 to $3,000 a month. That's what I'm doing repeatedly. So see you, take the quiz. Welcome to one-to-one if in case you require. And keep sharing your ideas. Keep sharing what did you like, what actually connected with you.